morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Ram Ram bhai. Today's vlog is in English vlog. We are heading to your gym in the morning. You wanna say something?
I don't know English. End the vlog.
We can't end the vlog here because we have to make people enjoy their day. So today is our morning gym first day because Ganesh bro have to go somewhere at the evening. So we have to according to we have to
Calculate my gym time.
calculate our gym time according to him because he is our trainer. And he slept at 3 p.m. I slept at 2 p.m. AM.
Yeah, AM. I also 3 AM.
Now, with good sleep and one banana, we are heading towards gym.
1 peanut butter bread.
One peanut butter bread.
Yes.
There is no sentence in your line. Adjectives are missing.
Full English vlog.
English vlog. Today is our chest day. Chest day. His chest? Yes, like this. We have to go like this. Today I will show you my workout, which is not bad, that much bad. It is good. You can stay still now. What? English.
We can drink lassi.
Buttermilk.
Yeah, butterfly.
Butterfly milk. Oh, our date sheet has been come on our WhatsApp. It says our end sheet come and it shows that our exams have been starting from 13th of May and will 25 of May. Then 1 month break. Then we will become seniors. See how Rusty is driving. Because he doesn't fear anything. His dad have a big name in Sector 19. He doesn't fear anything. His back name is Chauhan. He is a Rajput. He has guns, swords, sword in his house. So he is a very dangerous person. Where is that gym trainer? There are a lot of people inside. We can't show you inside thing because there is music all around the gym and we will get copyright. So I will show you only workout. I'll show you his workout. Hey, we are waiting for Mr. Ganesh.
Yeah, yes, can.
He has came? Oh, he has already came. Now we will meet him. Let's go.
उसके बाद पहला मारे हमने ये वाला, दूसरा मारे हमने ये वाला, तीसरा मारे हमने ये वाला, चौथा में ये वाला मार के हमने कर दिया खत्म।
दोस्तों, चेस्ट डे हो गया। इसकी चेस्ट बन चुकी है। दिखा, चेस्ट दिखा, चेस्ट दिखा, देखो। और हमारा इमेज भाई हमें बीच रास्ते में छोड़ के जा चुका है। दिखाता हूँ, वो देखो। क्यों नहीं बन रही बॉडी? क्यों नहीं बन रही?
रील्स रोल कर लो।
क्यों नहीं बन रही बॉडी?
भाई ऐसी रील आ रही है।
ओ
भाई झूठा बनना है।
22 का होके बच्चों को पूछता हूँ कि वो बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हैं ताकि मुझे भी कुछ आइडिया मिल सके। टुडे इंग्लिश व्लॉग।
Yes. Give me the keys. Petrol. Fill the petrol. I will fill the petrol. Yeah, we fill. 3 fill. We 3 fill.
3 fill.
We 3 fill.
Let me sit.
Gear dal.
Let me sit behind inside.
Yeah.
Turn.
Please 16 sector 16 petrol pump.
Toma, Sector 16 petrol pump. Nice, bro.
Bring it down, bring it down.
From the starting of the vlog, he is just speaking in word fast, not in sentence.
Chale? Yes.
Oh, English.
Yes. Go.
Yeah, go. Chest workout done. Nice workout. I will show you. How was the workout?
Very good. Very sensational.
Motivational.
Full dedication.
He do different exercise and let us do different exercise. What is this behavior?
He don't want to succeed us.
He don't want us to see.
Check for the police officers.
Yes.
Or else, and my babu will break my ass. Lord Hanuman.
Today is Jam Bhim Likharis classes. Ambedkar Jayanti. No police. We are safe for till now. He is breaking the rules.
हमारी रेंज के बाहर के बालक से ये
Hello भैया. Hello.
आज बाबा साहिब का बर्थडे है सब मेरी तरफ से अपने घर पे खाना खाना ये बात जरा इंग्लिश में क्या कहती भाई
English में. English. Today is Mahavir Jayanti. Say that in English.
महावीर थोड़ी
Ambedkar Jayanti.
Yeah, today is my Baba Sahib Jayanti, so eat food at home.
Say 5 lines about Baba Sahib.
चमार 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 he belongs from Dalit community.
And
चल
no. When we are going to fill petrol in this
हवाई जहाज
What is the spelling of eagle?
Vehicle O-R-L
Eh? B-O-R-L? Oral? Oral?
C-O-R-E-L होता है बे अभिषेक पूरे कल बहुत रन मार किया
Everyone is illiterate. My hand is paining.
slow down
Baby, calm down. Calm down. Sun slap. Sun kiss.
sun sucked
Sun slap. Sun kill.
sun punch
Sun punch. Oh, this bro was in the gym. He was jumping jacks.
yeah it was a illiterate
We have reached the petrol pump.
आगे
अरे स्काउट भाई.
he
अरे
filled the power petrol
power है भाई.
no normal
Then
I don't have
bullet will become power bullet. Hello बोल दो भैया. कहाँ है भैया?
normal किसी से normal किसी से so the power
ये पावर से और पेट्रोल में क्या फर्क क्या है बताना एक बार.
yes साढ़े
अच्छा होता है. कैसे ज़्यादा पावर आती है? ज़्यादा भैया आप ही बोल रहे हैं.
2 मिनट में बोल
चेक करो बावियों. The smell is good. The smell is good. Do you like the smell? Oh, he's checking. Do you like the smell?
yes bro
Name the exercises which we do. Name the exercises which we do today.
chest press incline chest press decline chest press और cable pull down
I don't know.
cable pull down
And what was that? Leg के dumbbell down. Leg के dumbbell down. What was that?
अरे decline chest press
No, dumbbell down. इस समाज को कुछ नहीं पता. जिस देश का युवा ही slice payment because he want cashback. Is
आगे बढ़ा हवाई
let's go bro. We now
तीसरे मार्ग पे पहुंचते के साथ में
Now we are leaving him, he will do the payment and now we are getting pumped up like just pump. We want here tire pump.
everything is pumped in our life
Everything is pumped in his life, not our life.
you
But I am pumped, I am not anything pumped in my life. My hand is pain. Let me show you petrol pump of sector 16, Old Faridabad. Now we will head towards our home and do the post workout. That will be chai. See how much white hair he is growing.
He is growing and मैं grow कर रहा हूँ.
Me too. Because we have a lot of tension in our life.
Yes.
Let's check here. Huh? 37?
चलते चलते मर गई होगी. आगे 31 पीछे 37.
अबे 35 तो मैक्स होती है.
अरे कुछ 40 को बढ़ देता है.
40 अगली बार के लिए, ताकि बार बार ना आना पड़े.
आराम से गाड़ी आ रही है.
ओह, दूरदर्शी निगाहें. गाड़ी आ रही है.
अरे रुकियो 1 मिनट रुकियो. इसका PUC देखो. रुक जा 1 मिनट. हो गया 1 मिनट रुक जा. वो भी करा रही हूँ 2 मिनट.
Explain POC in 3 words.
P O and C.
Words, not alphabet.
This is my words.
Full form of POC? Pollution of car. What is full form of POC? Hey you, big pan. POC full form.
Pollution.
And of
User collection.
है POC.
PUC expired. चल करा ले. लगा दे लाइन.
Everything expired in our life. Objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. Explain in physics.
It's not about lens. It's about mirror.
I didn't say lens.
But it's not about mirror. It's about people.
What people? Where is your physics? How much marks?
Physics 91 marks.
91 marks. Explain.
I am 78. I better say no.
That's why I asked him.
Because I can't say no.
Then answer.
But I can rotate the question.
इस देश को कुछ नहीं पता. इस देश का युवा ही अनपढ़ हो, जाहिल हो, गवार हो. What you saying? It is the truth, bitter truth. Bitter truth.
Yes, bitter.
Show your forearms.
No forearm.
Show your bicep.
No bicep.
See, 6 months मेहनत, hard work, 60 rupees hard work, चाप बिरयानी. Difference. POC है, PUC है.
PUC.
Full form?
Pollution under control.
क्या?
Pollution under control.
ओ, pollution under control. समझा जाहिल? Pollution under control.
Pollution user collection. मैंने क्या बताया था बताइए.
मैंने से फुल फॉर्म पूछी. POC की POC. मैंने बोला था पोल्यूशन ऑफ कार.
मैंने भी कुछ और बताया.
तूने कुछ नहीं आया. चल, सबको तो नहीं. 18 सेक्टर चलेगा? 18 सेक्टर चलेगा?
18 सेक्टर में भी क्या करना है जाके.
मुझे क्या पता. मेरे घर चलना, इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ. चलेगा 18
क्या
सेक्टर?
करना है.
Now they will drop me and they will left for home. Thanks for watching this vlog. Full English vlog.
Thanks.
पूरे vlog में एक सेंटेंस नहीं बोला इंग्लिश में पूरा. एक बोल दे हिमेश भाई. Myself.
जय श्री राम.
End the vlog.
जय श्री राम.
End the vlog in English.
जय
Jesus Christ.
No Jesus Christ.
No Jesus Christ.
Fuck Jesus Christ.